On this episode of Riced Out Rides, we got blue hoses, OBX wires. First you want to find your longest wire. Looks like this is our first wire. We're going to unplug this guy, find that bolt. Follow this all the way down. And wait for it to click. We're going to find our second longest wire. For that to click over this side.
Those are some beefy wires compared to the originals. They're like twice as thick.
Yeah. 10.6 millimeters, I'm pretty sure. This one. And last but not least, this cylinder. All we need to do is the coil to the distributor. Run this underneath. We got a nice row. And that's all you got to do. Bet you $10. My car don't start.
I'll take that bet.
Seems to be idling nice. Besides the high rev, but it runs a lot nicer than it was before. I highly recommend going with OBX. They have nice products. Now we're installing the OBX hoses. Match our little blue theme we got going on. Upper hose done. Now onto the lower hose.
Can you get at it from the top?
No. Yeah, I guess there was still some coolant in there. That's why you always make sure you drain everything. Now, cheater tip for that is just place a jack right underneath the tow hook. It'll support it, it's on the frame rail.
Here, try this out. You ever seen one of these?
No.
You put the hose clamp in here. So put the two ends in there. Just like that. And then you take this handle and you squeeze it.
Yeah, it stays compressed.
It ratchets it and it stays compressed. And then when you're all done and you want to release, you just hit that button.
And you're showing me this now.
Yeah. Well, I was just thinking, you know what would be perfect for this job is that. And I was like, oh hey, I have that.
Might have to come from the top.
finally get it.
Yep. I just gotta fill it up with coolant. I'll start her up and see if she leaks.